first pterygoid, second pterygoid, this is third pterygoid. All are engaged at pterygoid fusion zone. Now lower one. At tuberosity, first pterygoid, now you can see little pterygoid, middle pterygoid, between the lateral and medial pterygoid. Now this is the come to first pterygoid, second pterygoid, patient right side, and third pterygoid. This is patient left side, first pterygoid, second pterygoid, and third pterygoid. And you can check all three pterygoid. Lateral pterygoid, middle pterygoid, and this side also lateral pterygoid, middle pterygoid, and these all are anterior. Yes, you can check. All are nasally engaged, nasal cortical floor. Three.